What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So what we're going to do today in this video is go over crypto taxes. I know I talk about cryptocurrency a lot on this channel, and if I'm talking about cryptocurrency investments, then that means that some people are making money from these investments, whether you're trading it for different cryptocurrency or you're trading it for a fiat currency, whatever it ends up being. You're going to basically make money from it, which means you need to pay taxes. So we're going to dive into this, and hopefully you guys can take everything I say with a grain of salt. I want to put that disclaimer out there. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not a CPA. So you want to consult your own accountant, your own CPA, and hopefully they can give you the information that you need. So throughout this video, if you feel as though you want to bring something up to your accountant, make sure you jot it down, because it's definitely worth it so that you don't end up having fees or penalties or anything like that. So before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. And if you guys want to join the Discord group or the Patreon, click that link down in the description and join today. So obviously, like I said, if you're making money from cryptocurrency, you have to pay taxes on it. So we're going to understand, we're going to get into different sections. We're going to go into basically, do you pay taxes on crypto? We're going to get into what are the tax rates. We're going to get into taxable events and different types of forms that you do have to go through in order to pay your taxes. Now, we all know paying taxes on any investment is not exciting, but it is necessary to your success in investing in the stock market, in crypto market, wherever it is, it's necessary. There are quite a few ways that you can end up paying taxes on cryptocurrency, which is something that I always questioned as I went through, my crypto investments. Even something like trading one cryptocurrency for another, like Bitcoin to Ethereum, can still be a taxable event. If you don't keep an accurate record of your gains, it's going to be very difficult for you to understand how much you would have to pay in taxes, which can result in penalties or fees. The IRS classifies cryptocurrency as a property. So just like you trading a washer machine and selling it like that, it's going to be considered the same way. However, I don't know how many people are reporting washer machine gains, but that's neither here nor there. Taxes are due once you sell the cryptocurrency, no matter what that is, whether you're trading it to another cryptocurrency or you're just selling it for a fiat currency. For example, if you take $1,000 and you invest it into Bitcoin and you gain $1,500, or you pull out $1,500, well, the gain is $500. You will be taxed on that $500. And how you would be taxed depends on if it's a long-term or short-term gain, but we'll get into that in a little bit. Now, buying cryptocurrency is not a taxable event. You can buy and hold that cryptocurrency as long as you want, but once you sell it, then you'll end up incurring taxes, as long as it's a gain. Tax filers must answer a question on Form 1040 asking if they invested in any virtual currency. Crypto exchanges are required to file a 1099-K form for clients who have more than 200 transactions or more than $20,000 trading during the year. So with you knowing all of that, what are the crypto tax rates? I think that's the most important part, is to understand where you fall when it comes to taxes, so you can basically understand how much you're going to have to pay in taxes, how much you will put aside, all of that. Because what you're holding right now, if you traded one thing for another, you're probably going to have to pay taxes on that if you gained anything. Now, it's only on the gains, but you still have to pay taxes on those gains. If you made $100,000 off of a $1,000 investment, you're going to have to pay a lot in taxes there. But obviously, if you traded it to another cryptocurrency, it's not something that's going to be easily reported by them, so you're going to have to do it yourself. So figuring this out is probably very necessary so that you don't incur any penalties. So the crypto tax rates depend on your income, sort of like any other investments that are out there. We're looking at two sections. We're looking at long-term and short-term. It depends on your income, your filing status, and the length of time that you held the crypto. If you owned it for 365 days or less, it's considered short-term. 365 days or more, it's considered long-term. So here are the crypto tax rates for 2021. You're going to see here that long-term, you can pay anything from 0 to 20%, and short-term, you can pay anything from 10 to 37%. So it's definitely more valuable for you to hold it long-term, which seems to be the case for a lot of people. They hold it for a long period of time and then let it go after it does end up making a large move. And typically it takes years for that to end up happening. Now, to understand whether things will be taxable or not, let's understand the taxable events, right? Selling cryptocurrency for a fiat currency is a taxable event. Using cryptocurrency to purchase goods or services is a taxable event. Trading different cryptocurrencies for other cryptocurrencies is a taxable event. Those are the three types that you want to focus on when it comes to paying your taxes. Now, I think this is a little bit weird. The latter is where it gets complicated. So if you look at trades between cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, that's where it gets complicated because you're trading one investment for another investment. How can that possibly be tracked? Because it's not a realized gain. Yes, you realized the gain from Bitcoin, but you didn't realize any gain from Ethereum. It didn't go to a fiat currency. It didn't go to the US dollar or a stable coin. That should be when it ends up turning into a taxable event. So right now, what they're saying is that if you trade Bitcoin for Ethereum, it can be taxable. So I'm going to tell you right now that you would have to pay taxes on that money if you end up trading one cryptocurrency for another. So I'm going to go ahead and, just leave that alone. And no, I'm just joking. So don't take anything I say as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I a CPA. So seriously, you want to consult your accountant or whoever's doing your taxes, because you do want to basically understand if it's going to be taxable or if you're gonna be penalized for it. So I know it's tough for a lot of people to keep their records. So I would hope that you would be able to understand the gist or the roundabout number to where you invested and how much you gained from it so that you can pay your taxes, because nobody wants to end up having fees or, owe taxes later and you owe like $50,000 or $500,000 because you made $1 million off of those, off of one investment. Crypto gains and losses are reported on Form 8949. To fill out this form, provide the following information on your crypto trades. You're going to look at the name of the crypto. You're going to look at the date you acquired it, the date you sold it, traded or otherwise exposed of it. You're going to look at the proceeds or sales price, cost basis, and total gain or loss. And now I know that would be very complicated for you to calculate all of this because looking at crypto, you don't have any of that detail available. You have to track it all yourself, which is difficult for people that are new investors. If you're a new investor and you just threw $8,000 into Shiba Inu and it grew to $5 billion, how do you know what to do, right? Obviously, you knew that you invested $8,000 and it grew to $5 billion. So I guess you can take that math and do that, but you're new to investing. Like, you don't know what you have to report. You don't know what's considered a long-term gain. The person bought over a year ago. That's a long-term gain, right? So a lot of people will not understand what's going on and how much they have to pay. So hopefully this video does help you out. But that's what I have for crypto taxes, guys. I don't want to talk your ear off. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know if I did a good job in this, if I should include anything else. I know there's a lot of stuff, and crypto taxes are very complicated, but if you guys could take some time to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, let me know that you liked it in the comment section below. Also, check out some of the videos on the channel as far as talking about different cryptocurrencies if you guys are interested in, just researching some cryptocurrencies. I have a lot that I talk about, and even stocks and all that stuff, just investments in general. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.